tomatoes. I think there'll be peppers. What else is over here? Let's take a look. I'm now entering a tomato jungle. These ones are like candy, just to eat just like that. They're so sweet. These ones I love doing in a pan. You can throw them on the barbecue or in the oven. So we're doing a really quick, delicious crostini. So this can be lunch snack or an hors d'oeuvre or a side for dinner. Sourdough, olive oil, Maldon sea salt, quickly in the oven. Throw a little bit of rosemary or thyme as well. And then we're going to top these with a delicious local goat's cheese, artisan goat's cheese, made in Ontario, of course. And we're going to do the tomatoes that came from our garden here, also from my dad's. You can use whatever, little grape tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, da-da-da-da. And then tomatoes look killer. Those are next. So cast iron frying pan. A little bit of thyme and rosemary in there. So good. So for pretty presentation, this is great for family service, but if you wanted to do it hors d'oeuvre, you can go right into here. You can also bake it in there. And then this is a perfect bar snack. Glass of vino, a beer, and then you kind of make your own. And put a little bit of balsamic in there as well. So this is really fun if you want to have a casual dinner party and just let people help themselves. So you could fill this with goat's cheese as well. And then you have to encourage people to just dig in and do this. It's so good.
Hi, this is Trish Magwood. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for recipe ideas, food inspiration, and simple home tips. Also go to Trish Magwood on Instagram for food and lifestyle ideas and inspiration, or check out trishmagwood.ca.